If you've been looking for an easy way to install Google Drive for desktop and start using it on your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can get Google Drive set up properly in just a few minutes. Whether you want to back up files, sync documents, or keep your Google Drive right on your desktop for easy access, this guide will make the whole process simple and beginner-friendly. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and search for Google Drive for desktop. You can type that directly into Google Search, and you should see the official Google result appear near the top. This is important because you always want to download software from the official source whenever possible. Once the search results load, click the first official link that appears. That will take you to the Google Workspace page for Drive for desktop. On the official page, look for the download option. You may see a button or link labeled Install Drive for desktop, and that's the one you want. Click it to begin the download process. After that, choose the Windows download option if you're on a Windows PC. If you're using a Mac, you would choose the Mac version instead, but for this tutorial, we're following the Windows steps. Once the installer finishes downloading, open the file. Your computer may ask if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. When that pop-up appears, click Yes. This is a normal part of installing software on Windows, and it lets the installer continue. After that, you'll see the installation window. Click Install to begin the setup. Now just wait a moment while Google Drive for desktop installs on your system. This usually only takes a short time, depending on your internet connection and computer speed. When the installation finishes, the app should launch automatically or give you the option to open it right away. At this point, you can either sign in or sign up with your Google account. If you already use Gmail, Google Docs, or any other Google service, just log in with the account you want to connect to Drive. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one and then continue. Once you're signed in, Google Drive for desktop will start syncing and connecting your files. Now that Drive for desktop is installed, you can use it to access your Google Drive files directly from your computer. That means you can open, upload, move, and manage files without always going through the browser. It's especially useful if you work with a lot of documents, photos, or shared folders and want everything available in one place. If you want, you can also customize how Drive for desktop works from its settings. You can choose whether files are streamed or mirrored, depending on how you want them stored on your device. You can also control which folders on your computer should back up to Google Drive. This makes it a powerful tool for keeping your important files safe and organized. So to quickly recap, you searched for Google Drive for desktop, opened the official Google result, downloaded the installer, allowed the app to make changes, clicked install, and then signed in with your Google account. And that's all there is to it. You've now installed Google Drive for desktop and you're ready to start using it. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.